Lid won't stay open to load laundry. Falls shut, and I have to use a stick to keep it open. Please help.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Couple of months.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I want to try to do it myself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I want to try to do it myself.
Hello, this is Brandon, your appliance expert. I am reviewing your question and will respond shortly. Most likely a hinge spring is broken and needs to be replaced. If you have the model number, I can help you find the exact part number and instruct you on how to replace it. On most top-load washers, the model tag is on the underside of the lid or just below it at the back of the opening into the tub.
Mod is WTW7600XW2.
Yes, this model has spring-loaded hinges, part numbers WPW1030937 for left and WPW1030938 for right. Ideally, they should be replaced as a set to keep the balance properly, but if only one is bad, you can usually get away saving the cost and just replacing one. To access them, unplug the washer. Also, I recommend wearing gloves for safety. The metal can be sharp. There are a few 1/4 inch bolts you need to remove from the back. I'll try to find a video or image to demonstrate in a moment. Once they are out, the top of the washer pulls slightly forward, then tilts up, and then you push it backwards and up at the same time to release it from its clips. Okay, here's a link to a full disassembly video. The part you're looking for starts around 528. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = GHX46JECQO.
What is the phone number I can call to buy the lid's parts?
You can use any part vendor you like. SearsPartsDirect.com usually has decent prices and ships anywhere in the US, or you can search for company local to you, or a Google search of the part numbers can help find the best price.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.